welcome back to Eating the African Way. Today your host is being hosted by another Ugandan YouTuber. She's going to introduce herself and tell us what you're going to cook. Can you please introduce yourself?
Thank you for having me. Hey guys, this is Brandy Teddy and today I'm joining Eating the African Way as the chief tester and also hosting him. Today we are going to be preparing beef pilau and my mother is going to show us how it's made.
Right now, let us go to the market.
Yes, we are going to the market to get some groceries that we are going to be using.
Catch up.
In Africa.
Yes, we are back from the market and these are some of the ingredients or items we bought. Mama Saba uyanjuleko yabatulaba.
Thank you for Mr. Nicholas. Amanya agange nze mbabazi Semugera.
Osangibwawo.
Sangibwa kuno kuzira Nombo Busabala.
Busabala. Nsaba otunyonyi kiki tugenda okufumba leero.
Tugenda kufumba kachere ka pilau mulimu ennyama.
Nsaba otunyonyole ndaba abantu bateka katungulu ku kambe mugaso ki ogwekyo?
Omugaso oguli mu kino oba ojjako obutungulu bwaffe buno ng'obujjako kano akakutako okungulu kano n'oteeka kuno akatungulu kano kambe tebukubalagala maaso tebukufumita. Gwe mugaso gw'okuteeka wano.
Bulijjo manyi bakateekako okunyweza kambe kalimeko.
Tekitegeeza obusala bulungi nga tokaba maziga mu maaso. Tekitegeeza.
Kale nyawo. Katugende mu maaso. Yes, our meal is ready. As you can see, we are going to enjoy it. You can also join. He's going to be our chief
tester. Chief tester.
Okay,
today.
our chief tester, our chef tester. Since this is eating the African way, and you know, we never had this at first, so I think we're going to use our hands. My hands are clean, I wash them behind the camera. So,
Okay, I'm giving up my spoon because this is eating the African way. The hands are washed, guys.
you can go to a restaurant or to a function, an event, and you find the rice is there is some stones. It wasn't sorted so well, but the rice is, and when it was half cooked, but this one is so yummy. Do you see any stone?
Of course they can't.
Yeah.
Mind you of this food, first of all, before you even eat, it is smelling really nice. I think it's because of the pilau that we put. And it is very fully boiled and ready. It doesn't have stones and it is not hard. Like, it is boiled very well. And it's delicious. And the meat, you guys, is well cooked. It's not hard or not ready, but it's ready, very ready. And all in all, the food is delicious.
Also, I'm going to keep some for my supper and even for my breakfast
Tomorrow.
and even lunch if possible.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
So guys, the rice is so delicious. I have to add myself. It is so delicious. That is how delicious it is.
That is an excuse. African women eat a lot.
Oh, it is so nice, you guys. I wish you were here to eat with us.
But I know you can feel the same taste.
Let us eat as we chew. We are
as
putting
you
the
swallow.
mouth as let us swallow for you as you let us chew for you as you swallow. But then whenever I watch your videos, immediately I feel hungry. I shouldn't watch your videos when I'm eating.
Yeah, those are some of the comments I get. That whenever I watch your videos, we get so hungry, we want to eat. Like I posted a video in the morning. It was about katoko. It was beans and offals cooked together. Then some of the viewers told me I had to cook the same dish. You made me so hungry. I wanted to eat that same dish at that exact moment. We are done with our meal and we left nothing on the plates, as you can see. Well, that was eating the African way. Today you saw what we prepared. We went to the market to buy the stuff. We came back home. Yes, thank you so much for keeping yourself on eating the African way. Please, if you're new here, please subscribe. Keep this channel open as we learn, cook and eat the African way. We shall meet again.